Hey all, welcome to another video on the Auto Techie channel. We're gonna go for a short drive to Tim Horton in the nearby city. So enjoy the ride. And we're gonna start the autopilot as soon as we get onto the main road, as I just forgot to turn it on as I left the subdivision. And autopilot on. Like always, holding a hand on the steering wheel. It's a beautiful day, about 37 degrees in Michigan, sunny, clear weather. Should be a nice ride. He is trying to turn, but he changed his mind. I noticed this happens a couple times where he thinks the turning lanes are just another lanes on the road. So he will move to a turning lane and then come back onto the road. Not a big deal. We have about 12 minutes to go. 8 miles in front of us. These are some nice driving roads, very smooth. I know who says Michigan has potholes. Beautiful here. We are approaching an intersection. We're supposed to turn right here. So let's see how it goes. I couldn't have done it better myself. Perfect. Mostly straight roads around here. And approaching a nice curve. Let's see how he takes those. That's some beautiful driving. Nice frozen lake. That is just nice driving. Just a warning sign, warning light. We're good to go. You did slow down to 35 for the speed limit change. There we have a sheriff. We're doing 35. Perfect driving. Look at the charge stats per second, since we're going pretty slow here. We are slightly better than projected, so We consume 9.7 miles range. He's trying to stop for a traffic light, but it's orange flashing, so just slow down, we're moving through. We're almost there. 0 interventions, 0 nags, not even a reminder to move the wheel. I think it did great on this 15-minute ride. We will restart the video once we are on our way back, but for now we're gonna meet somebody at Tim Hortons. Let's see, I'm gonna get into the parking lot, or he's gonna get me into the parking lot, then I will take over to find a spot where to park. See ya again in a few minutes. Hello again. We just met somebody at Tim Hortons, so now I'm driving home. So let's restart the full self-driving. We have sun in our eyes, so let's see if this affects the car. It is for sure affecting me. I should have brought glasses, but let's see how it goes. Town of Romeo, Michigan. So it's a nice little town. Yep. There's a few flashing orange light ahead of us. Let's see if he stops or slows down for those. He was trying to decide last time. Interestingly, speed limit's 35, but on the autopilot it says 42 max, which I haven't changed. On the way there, it was driving 35, it was driving exactly speed limit, so I'm not sure why this changed to a higher speed, unless I just rolled the wheel accidentally and I increased the speed, so can have it at about 40 max, just a little bit over the speed limit, so we don't get people angry behind us. Keep a brief turning signal, but I'm not sure why. Also, for cancel that and continue going. have about 9 minutes and 7 miles to go. Let's get the speed a little bit higher. It still says 35 here, but I thought it goes up to 55 any moment now. Nice roads, nice driving as we are driving into the sunset. It is not complaining. It's not saying that it's degraded or anything like that because of the sun, so it is all good. So we're a little bit cautious, slowing down as the cars are cutting in front of us. And, I'll get the speed up a little bit to about 50. I think speed limit is 50 or 55 here. He still thinks it's 35, but I have no way to check unless I open my phone. I haven't seen a speed limit sign in a while. Just checking if my GoPro is recording. It's been known to overheat every once in a while. So, looks like it's still doing good. If you know of a camera that would not overheat at 4K 30 recording, please let me know in the comments, as I will for sure upgrade to one, as GoPro problems are getting quite annoying. Approaching the light, I'm gonna turn left right here, and then we have a few more minutes to get home. Looks like we'll be arriving home with 42%. We'll plug it in, let it charge, and start the day fresh tomorrow. Also, let me know what you think about this point of view angle for recording, if you prefer it over stationary camera angles, or if the point of view is better for you. Let me know. It's waiting a little bit too much, but perfect turn, no problems. Oh, there we go. We see Amazon Rivian van again on my ride, so love seeing those on the road. Let's check the stats. We've consumed 11.1 miles. It looks like 0.7 miles better than expected. So good driving. Looks like another perfect drive. In a full self-driving, no interventions, no nags. Really just good driving. So we'll stop here and take over so we can go home. I think I just pulled to the side of the road because I did not give it an exact address. So I will take over from here and go home.